Today is my hair care day, and this is the first time when I'll be using Zizyphus and Moringa hair mask from Henna Sooq. Conveniently, this mask is already pre-mixed, so all of the herbs are mixed with distilled water. All you need to do is get them out of the packet. I found the consistency quite runny for my liking, so I decided why not. I'm gonna add organic aloe vera powder as well, also from Henna Sooq. Aloe vera only does good for my hair. It's very moisturizing, so I thought why not. Zizyphus is a very good natural gentle cleanser. It's quite purifying for hair strands and the scalp, and it's also good for those with thinner hair, and it will help to add volume to your hair, so that's what I'm really hoping for. I'm adding some rosemary essential oil. I'm washing my hair and I'm ready to go. Recently I've been liking to shampoo and condition my hair before any healing herbal hair mask. This way, after I finish applying, just rinsing it out with water, so I'm not stripping any benefits away. I like to apply a mask like this with a brush. This way I'm more in control of what I'm doing. For my hair length, this bag was just the right amount to cover everything. Once I was done, I wrapped my hair with cling film and I left it on my hair for about 2 hours. After that, I just washed it out with a co-wash. Honestly, I wasn't expecting these results. From super dry, flat hair to this. I think all of the herbs, Zizyphus, Moringa, fenugreek, amla, ashwagandha, done an amazing job on my hair. Let me know, have you ever tried any of these herbs yourself? And do you use herbs as part of your hair routine? I'm gonna be continuing this herb series, and there are so many herbs in my cupboard that I want to try on my hair and hopefully do more videos for you guys.